Hi everybody, welcome to our Facebook Live. My name is Stacy Ritchie Roman. I am the Marketing Director for Wholesale Warranties. Today on this live we're going to be talking about when to buy an extended warranty for your RV. This comes up all of the time. It's a really common question. When should I buy? I have a new rig or I have a very old rig. Do I even qualify? So we want to address some of those concerns today and make you feel really confident when you go to choose when to buy an extended warranty for your RV. People are hopping on as we go, so I'm going to reintroduce myself all the time, and I'm also going to ask you to comment, leave questions, tell us where you're from, tell us where you're RVing. We are stuck in the office. We want to know where you're traveling. Let us live vicariously through you. And we'll go through some extended warranty information. I will answer questions live. And if you have questions after the live is over, we're still going to monitor that comment section, so we will respond to anything that we can. So again, when to buy an extended warranty for your RV. Let's start with the brand new rigs. I know right now in the spring, we're getting ready to hit the road. A lot of people are buying new RVs, and so they wonder, I have a manufacturer policy usually for at least a year on this RV. Why should I get an extended warranty right now? It's a fair question. So the number one concern is that people don't want to have overlapping coverage, right? You have that manufacturer policy in place. Why pay for something now if that manufacturer policy is going to take precedent? And it absolutely will take precedent. So while that manufacturer warranty is in place, you're going to go to them for all of your repairs. However, because we know you have that manufacturer warranty in place and we know you're our favorite customer, we're probably not going to pay repairs for you for a solid year. You're going to get an amazing deal on your extended warranty. You're never going to get a better deal than when your rig is brand new and it has that full manufacturer policy. So you want to at least get a quote, see what that's going to cost you. As time goes on, as you start to phase out of that manufacturer warranty, put mileage on your rig, and eventually as your rig gets older, it's considered a model year older once you hit a new year, the price is going to go up and your term is going to go down. So what we like to say is you can pay less for a 7-year policy today than you can pay for a 6-year policy in a year when your manufacturer policy has expired. So you're going to get a really good deal. On top of that, manufacturer policies don't cover absolutely everything, and so if you run into a breakdown that isn't covered by your manufacturer policy but is covered by your extended warranty, we will take care of that during the first year. Something that falls into that bucket is trip interruption benefits. Great side benefit to some of the policies that we offer. That's going to step in to pay for hotel stays if your rig is stuck in a repair facility overnight, or to replace some of the food that went bad in your refrigerator when that failed. Manufacturer policies don't cover those additional benefits, but your extended warranty will. So you can come to us for that first year. So yes, you will have overlapping coverage. You're going to go to your manufacturer warranty for the most part during that first year. However, there's some side benefits that you can come to us for, and you're going to get an amazing deal. So it's up to you. Can you get a policy when your manufacturer policy is expired? Absolutely. Still come and see us. We're going to help you out, but you're going to get that best deal right up front. Something to consider. So again, my name is Stacy Ritchie Roman. I am the Marketing Director for Wholesale Warranties. We're talking today about when is the best time to buy an extended warranty for your RV. Thank you so much for joining us. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. I will be sure to answer those as we go. And then if you're traveling, let us know where you're traveling, where you are in your RV right now. We'd love to hear from you. So we went over brand new rigs. The next thing is the older rigs, the really well-loved, well-traveled rigs. A lot of people don't think that they can get a policy if they have a used unit or they bought it from a private party, they weren't the original owner. There's a lot of confusion there. So we are here to tell you, you can probably get a policy for your RV. We go back a lot further than most people think. On a motorhome, we're going to go back 20 model years. So right now, 1999 and newer, we can offer you a policy. We're going to cap that at 100,000 miles, so there are some caps on that. But for the most part, a lot of those used RVs are falling into what we can cover, and that's when they're breaking down too. So there's so much value in getting an extended warranty for your used RV. On top of that, for towable RVs, travel trailers, fifth wheels, toy haulers, we can go back 15 model years on those, so we can certainly help you out on a used unit as far as that's concerned as well. So used rigs. come and see us, come and get a quote. We can definitely help you out. And there's a lot of different levels of coverage. We can find a policy that fits your desired level of risk for your RV. If you do have a used RV or you're purchasing from a private party, we're also going to do an inspection on that unit to make sure everything's in working condition right now. That inspection is a great layer of support if you are in the process of purchasing a used RV. And so a lot of our customers really like that. It also means that claims are going to be processed really easily. So used RVs, absolutely. 20 model years old for motorhomes, 15 model years old for towables, and then again that 100,000 mile cap, we can certainly offer you a policy. Timing. So you can get it on a new RV, a used RV. When should you buy? You are going to get the best rates again when you have full manufacturer coverage. So when it's brand new, that's a really good time to get a quote and see what a policy might run you. If you're buying a used unit or a new unit from a dealership, again, you're going to get some preferred rates because we know that somebody has recently taken a look at it, made sure it was in really good working condition before they sold it to you. And so those recent dealership purchases are going to get some really good rates. That's a great time to come and see us for an extended warranty quote as well. I guess other than that, rates are live and fluctuating. So at the end of the year, we always know a rate change is coming on January 1st. Your unit will be a model year older. Those rates are going to change and they never go down. So get it as soon as you can. And if we are getting towards the end of the year, you want to get a quote then because January 1st is always going to hit you. Again, they fluctuate throughout the year as well. So travel season, they're constantly looking at the risk of certain units, your year, make, model, mileage. Mileage is a big one. As that goes up, your risk goes up, so your warranty costs might go up a little bit as well. So timing is really important when it comes to getting your extended warranty. Again, this is Wholesale Warranties. Thank you for joining our Facebook Live. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave those in the comments section. If you want to tell us where you're watching from or just say hello, we would be happy to talk to you as well. And so to recap, with a new unit, manufacturer coverage, yes, you're going to have overlapping coverage, but it might be a really great time to get a policy. Used units, we have really wide eligibility, so you might not think that you can get coverage, but you probably can. And the older they get, the higher that risk is, so that's going to be a really valuable policy for you. And then again, model year changes, mileage changes, the timing of when you're getting your policy is really important as well as far as pricing is concerned. So come and get a quote as early as you can. You're going to get the best rate. If you are interested in getting a quote right now, you can give us a call at 1-800-939-2806. Visit us at wholesalewarranties.com, or you can text wholesale to 474747. I hope that this information helps answer some of those really common questions about getting a warranty, especially on those new and used units, and when you should buy. Thank you so much for joining us, and we will be back soon with more warranty information for you.